Hello, everybody. Welcome back to this session for grade 7. The chapter here is probability, experimental probability, page 87. We have an additional practice, 7.3. This is additional practice. An 8th grade class rolls a number cube with faces labeled 1 through 6. The results of 50 rolls are recorded in the table below. Find the relative frequency that a number less than 4 is rolled. So, we have here a table. This is outcome and this is the frequency. For the outcome 1, we have the frequency equals 6. For the outcome 2, the frequency equals 4, etc. And finally, for the outcome 6, the frequency equals 10. So, I want here, in this exercise, the question, a number less than 4 was rolled how many times? So, I look in the table here, a number less than 4. Less than 4, that means I look only 1, 2, 3, and stop. Then I add all the frequency of 3 and 2 and 1. Frequency of 3 is 8. So, frequency of 3. I write here, frequency. This is frequency, yeah? Frequency of, frequency, not frequency, sorry, is frequency of 3, yes, okay. Frequency of 3 equals 8. Equals 8. Then, frequency of 2 equal 4. Frequency of 2 equals 4. And frequency of 1 equals 6. Then, the question here, he wants number less than 4 was rolled how many times? I just here add the sum of frequency. The sum of frequency here is 8 plus 4 plus 6. So, 8 plus 4 plus 6 equal how much? 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay, 18. That's why the answer here is 18 times. Now, a number cube was rolled how many times? That means all frequency, the total of frequency. The total of frequency is the sum 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6. So, I make sure about all these results. 10 plus 10 plus 12 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6. I will add now this quickly. 10 plus 10 and 12 plus 8 and 4 plus 6. So here we have here 20 gives 20. This is also gives 20. 12 plus 8, 20, and 6 plus 4 gives 10. When I add them, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 10 is gives 50. This is the result, 50. Okay, it's okay. Now we move to the next page. Next page, page 88. We have an assessment practice. This is a table. We have letter and frequency. Okay. Number 7. Hakim randomly draws equal-sized cards labeled with letters A, B, C, and D and F from a hat and records the result in the table. Compare the theoretical and experimental probabilities of randomly drawing a card that is labeled with the letter C. So we deduce here that C is one letter from 5 letters. We have 5 letters from A to F. And we choose only the letter C. So the theoretical probability for the letter C is, I can write it, 1 over 5. And 1 over 5 is, in decimal, 0.2. Okay. When I want to make this in percentage, we have seen this in the classroom. So we just multiply here to find 100, multiply by 20 over 20. So equals 1 times 20 is 20, and 5 times 20 is 100. So 20 over 100 in percentage, it will be 20%. Okay, we check the result now. Yes, here the theoretical probability of drawing a card with the letter C is 1 over 5 equals 0.2 in percentage is 20%. Now we calculate the experimental probability. How to calculate it? Just use the frequency. When in exam or in quiz or in any test he asks you about experimental probability, we will use the frequency. Okay, so letter C has a frequency 111, and these frequencies, especially for C, you divide it by the total. So 111 divided by 300. So now this is experimental probability. I divide 111 over 300. This gives the result 0.37. Okay, and 111 over 300 in percentage, it will be 37%. 37%. Thanks for watching, and do not forget, please, the worksheet in the website Pearson Realize. See you tomorrow. Thanks a lot.